Welcome everyone to a brand new tutorial about a Python framework called Masonite, which I think is completely new for most of you guys, and it's in version 4 right now. It follows model view controller design pattern and offers a rich set of functionalities which incorporates the basic features of other frameworks like Laravel and Ruby on Rails. It comes with built-in batteries which also boost the speed of web development, and it uses pip as a package manager and has its own command line interface tool called craft, which includes a set of commands to assist in building application more quickly. Masonite offers many features, and some of those notable features are routing. It helps to define routes in our web application, and it also supports middleware so that we can add our own custom logic before or after the route executes. It also has its own ORM called Masonite ORM, which also provides a nice query builder to help us query databases using various simple chain methods. Okay, and it has a schema builder to maintain the database definitions and schema. It also keeps track of changes in database using migrations. It has seeders, just in case you want to feed the dummy data into your database. So yeah, a lot of things. And it also includes a ready to use mail and authentication feature, which is very cool, at least for me, if not for you guys. It also has queue feature, which helps handling long running tasks in a background, and we can also use events to run various commands. So you can dispatch event whenever something happens in your application, kind of stuff. You can do all those things here. Those were the basic feature of Masonite, and if you want to learn more about more features, then you can visit to its official documentation, which is docs.masoniteproject.com. I feel like this video has become long enough, so I'll discuss each individual topic in separate videos. So stay tuned guys, and happy coding. See you later. Bye.